Hey guys, Kat here from Food Inbox. We've just been walking in the Teramachi area in Kyoto and we stumbled upon this donut place. It's called Koe Donuts and I gotta say, this place is such a vibe. It looks so cool. The donuts look amazing. They have a lot of different styles. What's really cool about this place is that the whole production line is actually all on display for the customers. So you can see them frying the donuts, adding on the creams and the sauces. It's pretty cool.
Koe Donuts. Should I get a mochi donut? Mochi donut. And should I get one of these? Do you like lemon?
The lemon meringue does look really good, yeah.
Should I not get this then? Okay, that's it.
We have the donuts in here. Let's give them a go. Second one.
That one's a rich flavor.
This one is interesting.
Cocoa,
No.
nibs, matcha.
It's quite nice. I think I like this one better than that one.
I gotta give this one a go. Oh,
What do you think?
I love that. That bread base is nice. It's almost like a It's not like a donut at all. It's like almost like a cake.
Yeah. It's definitely got more of a cakey vibe, definitely. Okay.
This one is standard mochi donut. So this is just a standard mochi donut. It's going to be fluffier than this donut, which is actually a donut. So when you add the mochi to it, it makes it a bit more chewy and creamy. Yeah. You can't go wrong with mochi donut.
This one's good.
It's the cheapest one too. It's only 200 something yen. It's 180 yen.
This is very fluffy. It's fluffy but also chewy at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense. I really like this one.
Give me a bite. Oh yeah. Yeah. I love mochi donuts. It has some delicious looking donuts. We had to walk in. The area looks so good. It's such a vibe, and we love the layout. If you ever stumble across this donut place with this logo of Einstein eating a donut, you know if it's good or not.